Hi, welcome to WINZ Business. Now I am with Hitesh Electricals. Hitesh. Hi Hitesh.
Hi, Chacha.
So you are into electrical business, right?
Yeah.
What is the items you have?
My items are we sell the switches categories, wiring, fans, geysers, and we supply the conduit pipes, PVC conduit pipes.
Okay. See, there are lots of people in the market.
Yeah.
Why should we choose you?
Certain brands are having only the certain people only. We having certain brands, we are located their distributors we carry and supply to the customers. Like Wipro, Havels, and Philips. Other things are there. We supply things.
What is your USP?
So my USP taking as a one brand, we supply all type of switches, like modular switches. In modular, there are so many is there. Like we give as a decorative thing, we give as a glass model plates, wooden plates, and metal plates. In that, in switches also, there is too many categories there. Like if you want in black color, I can give you in black color, and if you want in touch, I can give you as a customized touch also.
Okay, wow, it's great. So you can customize the product.
Yeah.
Where is your shop located?
We are located in Sikidrabad, Monda Market, near to the railway station.
Okay, where you will give the services?
We services in Hyderabad, Telangana regions, AP also will give.
Now we know more about Hitesh and his business. So, you want to place the order, you can reach on this number. Thank you with media partner WINZ Business.